and paddling and rowing a boat. Row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merry, 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 life is but a dream.
Wow, good job. Where are you rowing to?
To Grandma's house.
Oh yeah?
I row to Grandma's house.
What are you gonna do there?
Please, Grandma.
Oh yeah? And who else?
And Grandma and Grandpa.
Yeah?
Yup.
Are you looking at yourself in the mirror?
Yup.
What other songs? What's the new song you know?
Take a little far.
What else?
With my baby.
Yeah?
And you're on my sunshine.
Sing that one.
Okay. You are my sunshine. You are my sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Like my paddle?
Yeah, that's good paddles. I think usually you use two, don't you? No. Just one at a time, huh? But you're supposed to stroke one side, then the other side. That's good too.
There's a storm.
A
storm.
A storm?
Mm-hmm.
Where?
And sky.
What are you gonna do?
Storm song. Want to hear it?
Yeah.
It goes like this. What it goes like?
I don't know. You're the one that said it.
It says, storm, storm, storm. Sing it.
Storm, storm, storm.
Storm, storm, storm.